Hi explorers, and welcome back to the channel. The Forsaken Explorer NZ here, and I'm here to check out a really cool cave that we're going to check out while I'm going to look at some other abandoned stuff around the area. I have a new mapping system that I use for looking at abandoned stuff, and it also maps out caves. I looked at this one on Google, it looks really awesome, and a fellow explorer exploring with Mark checked it out and said it's worth a look. So we're going to check it out, and then we're going to head to some possibly abandoned coal or gold mines. I'll share the history with you when we get closer there, once I have another look on Google, and we'll check this out and see what we can find. Cheers explorers, let's get to having a look. Rightio explorers, let's go in and have a bit of a look. Hopefully this is the right place. It shows me on my pin. It's a little bit hard to sort of work it out, but I think this is the one. Yeah, this looks like it could be a pathway in here. A little bit overgrown then, but see what we can find in here. Oh look, this fella's being naughty. Oh wow, this does look cool. It is worth a look. And what are you doing? Are you being naughty? Beautiful. Oh, there's another section to the cave that's even better. Wow. Alright, we're climbing down. Oh, wow. Wow. This is like... wow. Thought the cave looked different, what I had seen, because this is it here. This is spectacular. Well, explorers, I found one of the ones on the map. You can see all the piping and stuff, but if you can see, that's being his fingers have filled it right in. There's hoses and stuff that go back there, but there ain't no way I'm going to fit back there. I don't think any person would fit back there. It has been deliberately filled in. It's definitely the side of a mine. There's stuff here, some old wood and buckets and stuff from back in the day, but when you stand back you can see it's being deliberately filled in with dirt to keep people out, which is probably good, otherwise I'm going to go in there with my safety gear of course, but no entry today. Rightio explorers, so far I've bush bashed in 15-20 minutes and I found the ruins of the bathhouse. For another and the final abandoned coal mine I'll be looking at on this video. I found some train tracks and all sorts of stuff on the way. Lots of metal ruins in the bushes and in the rivers. I had to climb up a slippery waterfall. Slipped in a few times, so I've got skate shoes on, but that's all good. We have a bit of a look around and see if we can find the entrance to the mine. I wonder what was there. So this looks all man-blocked up through here. Oh, could possibly have been here. Who knows? No, I don't think it would have been here. There's some more metal structures and stuff there. Here we found the bathhouse, what I believe to be the bathhouse. It could be incorrect. Oh. A lot of trouble with dropping these rocks with my skate shoes. I'm just skating. Oh, I missed myself down there. You've got to be careful. I always grip with my hands before I do with my feet, in case I slide. Alright, we'll see what else we can find. A bit further on, I found an old trailer. Really old, another one here. Another old trailer over here. Evidence of old train tracks and stuff back here as well. Back here. Some timber. Still no evidence at this stage of a mine portal. It's concrete here. Possibly was the loading area here for coal. I'd say it would have been a private coal mine. The only thing I can suspect is that it's up a little further. And not sure if we're going to go all the way up because we're quite a deep way in the bush on solo with slippery shoes. I don't want to fall over. Also no cell reception, but we'll have a bit of a look. Here we are here. Look at this old beautiful farm place here. You can hear some water sounds inside, so I think maybe the water tap's broken or something like that. Definitely can hear one running water inside. Here's a nice room here where we've got a hole and lots of rat poo. Canterbury draft. Fireplace here. The old pull string light up there where you just pull the light on with a switch. String rather. Beautiful old double hung windows where they go up, down. Very high, nice looking skirting boards here. These look like possibly the original, or it could be a reproduction one that they made out of like a custom board type wood. It's got tongue and groove walling, and that looks like also a reproduction one as well. It looks very soft, like a pine wood. Possibly had some work done over these and on the ceiling. It's not the original ceiling. It's rough sawn tongue and groove pine. What about in here actually, now we mention it? Yes, possibly. Definitely can hear some running water in here. Kitchen in here. Look at that. Rotten and all collapsed. This whole bedroom's gone almost completely. Oh, this could have been the original kitchen. Look, there's a coal range there. Beautiful, beautiful old coal range, that one. Smell all the grapes in here, grapevine. Must be another room because it looks like another fireplace, like over there, there's a slab. Double-sided fireplace. There's actually a pump that's leaking over there. And the neighbour's taking water. This must be their house. Bathroom in there. It's spraying water. It is water, connected water here, being taken to a neighbouring property, whether they own this or they're stealing water, I don't know. There's a very old jar here. Is that land? Come on, sink. A shower in there. Probably would have been a bath under the window just here. This leaking's not bad. There's power connected to that and water. Oh look, there's some water lines here too. Very interesting. Looks like all the water lines are being utilised. That's weird. So this is being made another kitchen, but the original kitchen would have been in here. There's the stove. Not much to see here. It's pretty much all there is. It's worth checking out, that's for sure. Well, if you did like this video, then please do remember to like and subscribe to the channel, The Forsaken Explorer NZ. And please do push that bell notification button and comment down below, and we will catch you guys on the next Explorer really soon. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. The Forsaken Explorer over and out.
Got this shit knocking.